Hey guys, welcome to Cortract, and in this video, we'll be talking about how to change the case of your text, like how to make it all capitals, how to make it all lowercase, and those kind of things. So let's just write some text. I'll just write basis, some text. So I have written it like in a title case for now. Now, how do you change the case of a text? So first you have to go to the design panel. So in case if you're on a prototype or an inspect panel, you have to go to the design panel, and inside the design panel, you will see an option for text options, like for text styles. Now under the text type, there is a font family, there is a font weight and font size and all those things, but you don't see any option for the text case because that option is hidden inside the three dot icons. So you have to click that, and then you have to go to the basics if it's not already on the basics. And after going to the basics, you have to go to the case, which is the last option inside basics. So you see all these options. So the first option is for no style. So that's the default where only the first letter is capitalized and everything else is small. This is for the uppercase case. So if you click on that, so you see all of your letters become uppercase only. And this is for the lowercase. Now after I click this, all the alphabets in your sentence will become lowercase. And this one, in this one, as you can already see, it's in title case. So every first letter of every word will become capital. So that's title case for you. So you see, this the T in this is a capital, the I in is this capital, the S in sum is capital, and T in text is capital. So that's title case for you. And this one, oh, okay. This is a special option, for all caps. For small caps, but you know the small caps is actually something. There is a difference between small caps and the deliberately uppercase caps. So the small caps comes with the font. Like whenever you purchase some font, then there is an option sometimes that comes within it for all caps. So if your phone supports all caps, only then this option will be enabled for you. Currently, we have an enter font, and this doesn't allow us to use, all small caps because it hasn't made small caps for this font. That's why. So we'll be talking about what are these small caps and all those things in our typography lessons when I start that. So that's how you change the case of the sentence. So thank you guys, and I hope you liked the video. And in case you did, I want you to subscribe my channel. So yeah, and of course, if you have any suggestion or any specific video that you want from me, then do write it in the comment, and I will definitely make one for you. So yeah, bye.